Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be solving some questions on classifying of angles. Remember in my last class we were able to look at different types of angles and the meaning of each type of angles. Lest I forget, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to click on the notification bell to get notified in order to view my videos. So back to the business of today, classifying of angles. Let's answer the questions right there on the board. Find the angle marked X in the diagram below. So we have this angle given to be 65 degrees. Here is X. What do you think is the value for X in this diagram? Remember the last class, we discussed different types of angles. So what type of angle does this angle falls? Of course, X will be 65 degrees. Why? Because these angles, they are opposite to each other. So this is a very typical example of opposite angles or vertically opposite angle. So here, X equals to what? 65 degrees. Easy and quick, right? Great. Number two, find the angle marks X in this diagram. What type of angle do you think this is? Of course, this is a right angle triangle because here is the right angle, which is what? 90 degrees. Or in other words, we can refer to it as a complementary angle. So let's determine the value for x in this angle. So we have x. Remember, in our last class, I told you that for this type of angle, a plus b must be equals to what? 90 degrees. So let's say this is our a, this is our b. Or we can say, of course, this is our x. So let's name this our y, right? So here we have our x plus y is 65 degrees equals to 90 degrees. Here we transfer the constant to determine the value for x. X equals to what? 90 degrees minus, remember when plus 65 crosses over, it turns to what? Minus 65 degrees. So subtracting 65 from 90, x will be equals to what? 25 degrees. And that's the value for x, which is 25 degrees. So in essence, if you add up x plus y, it will be equals to what? 90 degrees. Or you say 25 degrees plus 65 degrees, we sum up to be what? 90 degrees. So that makes it a complementary angle. The next question says, which of these is an acute angle? Or which of these is an obtuse angle out of these numbers listed here? First, what is an acute angle? In our last class, I explained to you that an acute angle is lesser than 90 degrees. So which of these numbers or which of these is an acute angle from the definition of an acute angle? Is it 66 degrees, 90 degrees, 150 degrees, or 200 degrees? Which of them is lesser than 90 degrees? Of course, it is what? 65 degrees. So this implies that 66 degrees, sorry, is the acute angle. Now, which of it again is an obtuse angle? From the definition of an obtuse angle, recall that an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees, but it is not more than what? 180 degrees. So an obtuse angle lies in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So which of these angles do you think is an obtuse angle? Is it 66 degrees, 90 degrees, 150 degrees, or 200 degrees? Of course, it is what? 150 degrees, because 150 degrees lies in between what? 90 and 180 degrees, an obtuse angle. So the answer is what? 150 degrees. Now let's move to the next example.